Hello everyone. Well, I'm just making a quick impromptu video today. In fact, you'll see this within an hour of me actually filming it. Now the date is, just in case you're watching this in 2020 or something, it is the 18th of January 2019, and I've just picked up this Numatic James from my local Asda because it's on offer, and it's a pretty good offer. Now it was on a sale at £99, and if you go to asda.com, that's how much it's selling for, £99. But in store, certainly in my local Asda, this James vacuum cleaner cost me £64.35, so £65 for a British made pneumatic cleaner is a very good deal. I can't guarantee your local Asda will still have them. I got the last one in my Asda, but if you're popping down to Asda, have a look if you want another vacuum cleaner, even if it's just for the car. 65 quid for a James is very good value. I've already got one, as you probably know. If you want to see a full demo of James, there will be a link below this video. But I couldn't resist getting another one for £65, especially as this version, the yellow version of James, is now discontinued, and Numatic have replaced it with a blue version, which is a little bit less, I wouldn't say deluxe, because this is a dumbed down sort of Henry. There's no cable rewind on the top. But the latest James, the blue one, I don't think it has this little disc on the top to hold all the cable in. So anyway, this model is JVP 180, so it's in Asda. It may not be with the vacuums. We don't normally sell, the Asda I shop at doesn't normally have this model. It sells Henry and a few other vacuums, but not James. This was bought in for a special promotion, so you might not see it with the vacuum cleaners in your local Asda, but Asda normally have what's called a seasonal aisle, and at the moment it's full of household items. There's some kitchen electricals, some towels, bit of bedding, some kitchen utensils and things. So it'll be in the seasonal aisle if they've got any left. They also had offers on other vacuum cleaners and carpet washers. I think they had a Vax Slim Vac reduced to £60, and they had a Vax carpet washer. I can't remember how much it was, but it was a pretty good deal. Anyway, I thought I'd quickly tell you, in case you want to pop down to Asda, don't go especially, ring ahead to see if they've got any in stock. They might not have any because, as I said, they'll be going out flying off the shelves, as they say on the shopping channels. But yeah, I couldn't resist it. Under £65. I'm going to quickly open it. You've seen an unboxing, but I might as well quickly open it. But there will be another video from me coming up later today at the normal time of 7 PM UK. But I'll just have a quick look at this, make sure it's okay. So I was very lucky to get the last one of this. Very lucky indeed. Right, there we are. So we've got the instruction book. I won't show you every single tool. You've got carpet floor nozzle. That does look slightly narrower than the one supplied with a standard Henry. They also do have the Henry Compact. They did in my local Asda, reduced to 105. It wasn't such a good offer as this James, obviously. You get the tools you expect to get with a pneumatic cleaner. Crevice tool, upholstery tool, dusting brush, a little brush for the upholstery tool, quite a rigid stiff brush, and the adapter so you can use any of the tools directly on the end of the hose. Here's the hose, and on this one it is a concave, so it's wider at the cleaner end than it is at the handle end. These are slightly lighter, well, actually considerably lighter. If you want a lighter machine, the James is something to look for. If you want a pneumatic, I think the James is probably the lightest. These make it lighter, these tubes, rather than the chrome ones. You've still got your suction relief valve there, and the two-piece set. They're metal, but they're a bit lighter than standard Henry ones. All you actually get with this, There is one spare dust bag. This has got the latest red collar on it, so it's the last version, I think. And here we have James himself, just a single speed switch. There's a mains on indicator light, and the wattage of this one is 620 watts. This actually differs. I'm sure the James that I've demonstrated didn't have this restyled bucket, so you've got space to store your small cleaning tools on the back there, as well as your parking slot. So there should be a bag inside. There's your filter, of course, and yes, it does have a HEPA flow bag fitted. So yeah, an absolute bargain. As I said, I didn't need one, but as I think, pretty sure, I'd have to check my own video, but I'm pretty sure the James I showed was the slightly earlier version than this. I'm not sure if the blue version has the tool storage on the back. If anyone's got one of the latest blue James, let me know in the comments section. But I'm pretty sure the latest James doesn't have this part. It's slightly different. This does come off, but you can still coil the cable up. So there's no, as I said, there's no manual rewind like you get with the Henry. You just have to pop the cable there. But it's a good quality cable, and if in case you damage the cable, you can actually buy a complete replacement cable and fit it yourself, because it plugs into the top here. You just undo those screws. I'm assuming it's still like that, but they may have changed it, so don't quote me on that. They might have changed that so you can't do it yourself, but you used to be able to certainly change the cable. Got a little clip there as well, which will hold the cable. You can just pop it into there when you're using the cleaner, and then just wrap it around the top. So it is, as I said, it's a bit lighter to carry than a standard Henry. If I can get that back on, clip it down. So that's it. So it's all fine and dandy. It's got everything that it should have. But certainly would recommend the James. It's a British made vacuum. We'll quickly turn it on. Can't see any reason why it won't work. Sorry, why he won't work. Let's take that off again, just to make sure. I'm going to have to undo this tape. There we go. Plug him in. So yes, when you plug him in, the little red mains on light comes on. So you can leave this part off if you want to, or put it back on. If you leave it off, it does mean that you've got space in the lid to put your dusters and a bit of polish or whatever. It will hold a few things. I was going to say all the cleaning tools, but of course now we can put the cleaning tools on the back. So yeah, fine, nothing wrong with that. I think that's an absolute bargain. If you're lucky enough to get one, pop down to your local Asda store today. But as I said, if you try and buy this online, they have them back in stock. They were sold out originally, but they will be £99. It seems to be only in store, and it might not be in your store. So I can't guarantee that every single Asda in the UK will have this at what did I say, £64.35, an odd price, but that's how much it cost me, £64.35 new pence. So I thought I'd just do a quick video in case you were in the market for a new vacuum cleaner. Just you want a basic machine that does the job, made in the UK. It's tough and robust. It'll last you for quite some time. Tune in later today, 7 PM UK time, and there'll be another video from yours truly. So until the next time, I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.